Garden hedges can provide privacy, block the wind, define garden rooms, and serve as beautiful alternatives to fences. The best shrub for hedges are long-lived and feature dense foliage and a compact growth habit. Deer resistance is an added benefit, or you may end up with a raggedy mess. Here are some of the very best plants for deer-resistant hedges. You can hardly ask for a better choice than boxwood. It comes in many sizes and forms, accepts sun or shade, is evergreen, and grows in most parts of the country. You can prune it into a neat geometric shape or let it grow naturally, as you prefer. It appreciates protection against drying winter winds, but it is otherwise very easy to grow. It's remarkably deer-resistant. Japanese pieris, also known as Andromeda, is another fine evergreen deer-resistant option. In spring, it sports dangling clusters of tiny bell-shaped flowers. New leaves emerge in coppery red hues for additional visual interest. Pieris grows in sun or part shade and prefers acidic soil and some moisture. Forsythia makes an excellent privacy hedge thanks to its dense foliage. Its bright yellow flowers put on a stunning show in spring. Forsythia grows in virtually any conditions with very little care, but flowers best in sun. Part of its beauty is its graceful arching growth habit, so give it room to spread. Another easy care spring bloomer is Deutzia, which bears profuse white or pink flowers that attract hummingbirds. Drought tolerant, once established, it grows in sun or part shade, but flowers best in sun. Spirea offers multiple seasons of interest with fluffy white, pink, red, or purple flower clusters, extended bloom time, and colorful fall foliage. Choose from early or late blooming varieties in a range of heights and growth habits. Deer and other garden pests virtually never touch it. For a sunny site, consider pyracantha, also known as firethorn. A fast grower, its dense growth and sharp thorns make superior barrier. Firethorn is evergreen in the south and semi-evergreen in the north. It bears small white flowers followed by bright red or orange berries that birds flock to all winter. Buddleia, aptly named butterfly bush, is another superb choice for a hedge in a sunny site. Its long, fragrant flower spikes feed throngs of butterflies. It blooms from midsummer into fall, when many other flowers are fading. These are some of the easiest to grow options for deer-resistant hedges. For an extra measure of protection, or if you prefer to grow deer favorites like yew or hydrangea, spray your shrubs regularly with #1 rated Bob-X deer repellent. It's guaranteed, doesn't wash off in the rain, and is completely safe for children, pets, and the environment. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.